So I get in the shower, and this is what Amelia does. Instead of playing with her toys in the bathroom like usual. Amelia, smile for the camera so everybody can see how beautiful you are. She got into Mommy's makeup bag.
She got into the makeup bag.
You did. Can we look at the camera and see how beautiful you are?
How beautiful you are.
Oh, yeah. Look at that face. All right. Say hi.
Hi.
You like makeup?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're using Mommy's eyeshadow as blush. And a little foundation. Oh, yeah, that goes a long way. Where does that go?
On my face.
On your face? Oh, that looks beautiful. Whose makeup are you messing with?
Mama.
Mama's. Are you supposed to mess with Mommy's makeup?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. All right, let everybody see your face one more time. Look at the camera. Look at the camera, Amelia, and give the biggest cheese.
Cheese.
Look at me and give a cheese. Look at Mommy and do it instead of looking in the mirror.
Cheese.
No, we'll just do it in the mirror. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Put my brush in the foundation. Oh, that looks beautiful. All right, let's clean this mess up.